Hi, today I'm just want to show you how to use slice modifier and how it's gonna be useful for our project. Okay, let's just start it. I'm going to show you by creating a torus. It's kind of donut here, something like this, and then just go to the modifier list and you can have slice here. There are several types of slice here. First one, rewind mesh. Here we can just clearly show it by selecting the slice plane under the slice. As we can see here, if you move it up, there will create another border or creating another edges. And if you want to split the mesh, it will automatically separate the top up and the bottom down here. Or you can just simply remove the top or remove the bottom. But for this case, I just wanna remove the top like that. And then it's not only you can move it up and down here, but also you can just rotate it to something like this, or you can just move it front to something like this. You can just adjust it by yourself, that's alright. And then after this you can have cape holes like that. Now it will be another massive object. What happens if I put another slice modifier here? We'll have the slice plane. I will just rotate it and move it to the front like that. Remove the top. As you can see here, the cap holes is not making the object into solid object, but it's just cover the hole. So be careful if you want to make a 3D printing. It's kind of problem. Alright, and if I put another cap hole, now it will close completely to be a new form. Another useful tips is, instead of using cap holes, you can also try to use shell. See, it will create another surface inside and outside the object. You can just adjust it by the number here. You can just adjust the inner mount or the outer mount. So basically, here is the key for adjusting the shell modifiers. But you can see here the disadvantage to use CL is a kind of a rough cutting section, and it's not smooth at all. I'm going to show you how to make it smoother. I'm going to drag it here under the slice modifier. As you can see here, now there's a gap between the inner shell and the outer shell, and I'm going to put added poly on the top of it, and just drag it up here. I'm going to choose border and I'm going to choose both the border here. And then what you can use is bridge exactly here. Now they will completely close as one entity object. Once you have this kind of bridge, you can apply another edit poly. You can go to the polygon, or sorry, it should be here, element, so that it will automatically chosen. And what you can do is you can detach this kind of element, and now that it will read as another object here. This can be useful. You can change the color to make it more obvious here. So now you can have two different objects. One is the slicing border, and second is the original object itself. If you want to make a 3D printing, I really suggest you to close the hole here. So it's the best if you just put it there and it will completely close. That's perfect, because if you wanna make a 3D printing, just please make sure the object is completely closed like this, and it has a certain thickness for it, so that the program can read it as an object and it's not a surface anymore. Okay,